It's dark out, but you gotta take a look at these rivers through our yard. Had a lot of rain, and it gets even better. You can hear it. Can't tell if it's focusing on it or not. I don't think it is. Shoot. I think you can see that water. It's really tough to see through the viewfinder. But, man, it is really flowing. And you can see it. Yeah, there you can see some of it. You can see it all comes down. And you can hear it just roaring down there. See if I turn this focus back on. Yeah, you can sort of see that. So I'll just do. Keith tried real hard to keep water from washing, as you can see. Still got some washing here. Mainly because our drain is clogged. And you can see the river, the rivers that are flowing into it. So let's see if we unclog this dog. Wow, water is very cold. Can you see it? There's a fogging off. Shoot. I'm not focusing big. Might be fogging up a little bit, but I tried to clean it out. It is pretty clean. It's just there's so much stinking water coming in that it won't drain at all. Just insane. Let me follow the stream up here a little bit better. Crap, it started raining. So I get to focus in again. Come on, baby. And then look at this waterfall. And of course you can hear that. Just roaring through there. And then we have quite the lake here that is still yet to drain down there. And another. I can't zoom. Another gorgeous waterfall there. Here's part of it. That's forming the lake. That's draining down the hill. That's flooding my drive. But check out these rapids. Holy cow. How awesome is that? I mean, you can ride these things. Unfortunately, I don't have my flashlight. I can get a better picture of these things. But they're all coming from a neighbor's yard. Here in the backyard, you can see we still have, there's a good view of the river as it cascades down. Alright, here again. Nice water flow. And then of course it picks up another one over here. So I'm sort of in the river's delta. For those of you that have returned with some illumination, so you can now better see. And of course, it's really raining quite hard now. I got my umbrella. We are set to go. Alright, got a little better shot now. Now, get an idea of exactly what kind of water flow we've got going on here. And this is just from half the house. It's all flowing right down here. Whew. I'm starting to sink in as I can't go any farther. As you can see, it disappears down there, and you can just really hear it rushing. And then over here, it looks like we cleared up what was running across the driveway, creating that great big crater there. And let's see how we're doing. Oh! Beautiful! That sucker is working like a charm. So you can see we're draining the 2 rivers into one. We still have this massive water all the way through here. And again, Bear Shallow Lake. And look at this. This is my house. This crap is all flowing down the hill from our wonderful neighbors. So, there you have it. Hope you enjoy it.